After being shunned by his wife, Elsie, Nigerian comedian come actor Bright Okwocha, popularly known as Basketmouth, has now bowed to pressure and deleted the Instagram post where he announced his divorce. Remember that the father of four, Basketmouth's third reactions with the announcement of his crashed marriage on Thursday, December 22, 2022, where he assured to peacefully co-parent with his wife in taking care of their children. The actor, who didn't give reasons for the divorce, pleaded with the public to respect their privacy. The sad news has left many in disbelief, as they noted how the comedian was fond of making expensive jokes. Interestingly, his 44-year-old wife Elsie, who seemed unbothered about the public statement, took to her Instagram page to speak on a trending argument about ladies cooking for their boyfriends. Not only that, on Christmas Day, she dropped a snap of herself and their kids. So far, it is clear that she has ignored his divorce and acted like nothing happened. Following Basketmouth's latest act of deleting the divorce post, fans are waiting to see his next move. Do you think the divorce post